Good morning, children. Today we will do the fourth chapter of your literature book. The name of the chapter is The Diary of a Young Girl. It is the personal diary of a young teenager. It has an historical importance. It is one of the world's most popular books and it has been the theme for several plays and films. Annie says that it was different experience for me. The reason was that she had never written anything before. She thinks that she is so little that she had no interest in such things. She likes writing. She has an opinion that she can express her ideas more beautifully in writing. And one day she said that she was in sad mood. Now the next paragraph is she said that she was in confusion whether she should stay in the house or go for hunting. But she stayed in the house. She was very worried. She does not want to share her experience with anyone. Now, the next paragraph. She thought that she should kept a diary. She was alone. She has an opinion that a 13-year-old girl is so much alone. Nobody will believe this truth. She has a lovely family, parents, sister, aunt, but she feels that there are so many members in the family. Now, still, she is alone. She is very sad. She has no true friend. When she will be with his friend, she will feel more happy. She cannot share the things with any other. She has the opinion. Now, the next one is it may be her mistake that we do not disclose with each other. Sometimes there are things we cannot change. That is the reason she had an opinion that diary will be her best friend. She want the diary to be her friend and not like other. She is going to call his friend Kitty. Now the next one is she said that no one can understand her feelings about Kitty. She confined everything in his diary. She shared her secrets with her. Annie's father was an adorable father. He got married to Annie's mother at the age of 36 and her mother was 25 years old. Annie had an elder sister, Margot, who was born in 1926 and Annie was born on June 12, 1929. And when she was 4 years old, they lived at Frankfurt. Now the next one is her father worked in Dutch Opacta company which manufactured products used in making jam. Her parents immigrated to Holland because they were Jewish. My mother was with her father. Margot and Annie were sent to stay with their grandmother. Margot went to Holland in December and after that in February. She went there. She sat down on the table as a birthday present for Margot. Now the next one is Annie says that her grandmother came to live with us. She was 73 years old. In 1941, she was ill and she had to have an operation. She said that they cannot celebrate the birthday also. At that time in Holland, fighting had just ended, and her grandmother died in January 1942. She loved her very much. Nobody knows this. When Annie celebrated her birthday, her grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. She said that we all are doing our regular work and it was the serious dedication of her daddy. Now, students, I think you are all able to understand the story of a young girl. After reading the chapter, you can understand it very easily. Okay.